we have been working on customer service from last 6 to 7 years. So I thought, like I will explain all those templates to the agents and we'll get started, because it's we have no interference with the Shopify and all those things. Everything is very simple. It's all based on the templates.
Okay.
So
let me switch the conversation. Okay.
That's okay.
The conversation right now has switched to I understand where you're at and what you've done, but you're at a different place.
Understand, completely understand. Yeah.
You're at a different place with different rules with different employers. So I
understand. Yeah.
I understand where you're at, but I'm saying this is how we're gonna do it, and this is how we're gonna move forward, and it's gonna benefit the team because, see, most of the time, wherever you've been, I guarantee the emails have not been this sensitive, because if we mess up 2 or 3 emails, or maybe even 5 to 10 emails, and they turn into a customer charging back, it could cost us a lot of money.
I understand completely, because you have the heavier products. I understand. Yeah, we'll need to be very careful on this.
Tons of money. So this right here is not something. See. Okay, you may have been familiar with another system, but at the same time, if I were to run a questionnaire right now of every single email, I'm pretty sure because they haven't been taught in certain situations, it wouldn't turn out right. Because yes, the copy and pasting is simple, but at the same time, there's sometimes where you have to make a decision on what situation.
Yeah, the main thing here, making decision. I understand. Yeah.
Yeah. So anytime I'm talking, let me finish.
Okay.
Okay. And then whenever you're talking, I'll let you finish. So we can
complete that. Yeah.
So we can have real respect for each other.
Yeah, understand. I'm sorry for that.
That's okay. I'm sorry that I had to sacrifice 10 goats yesterday. I'm just playing.
I'll let you finish first.
I'm just playing. I don't believe in any of that. I'm just kind of neutral on everything. Everybody has their different views, and I have no judgments. But anyways, so let me go through this. What we're basically gonna do today is I just wanted to kind of prep for what I want to happen. I'm gonna set up a questionnaire, okay? Because there hasn't been a bunch of studying. I'm gonna set up a questionnaire with every possible situation that the team can run into. Okay, and then we're gonna pay the team 5 hours, 6 hours to go through this questionnaire. Each member that's gonna be working on the emails for 6 hours. Okay, they have to work this questionnaire for 6 hours, and then you're gonna come back the next day, and then I'm gonna test everybody. All right.
Okay.
Every single person that touches these emails, I'm gonna test them.
Okay.
I'm gonna test them. So and then I'm going to send them. I'm gonna send them a situation, and then I'm gonna see how they respond, and then we're gonna do testing throughout the day, and then go from there. And then as long as we pass this test, then I have no problem deploying the team to there, because it's like, hey, I've coded Java before. I haven't coded Java before, but this is an example. It's like, hey, I'm proficient in coding Java. Well, what about HTML5? Oh yeah, well, I know a little bit about HTML5. Well, just because you've coded Java don't mean that you're exactly proficient in HTML5. Right. So everything you've done in the past is Java. Okay, this is HTML5. So I got to get you guys efficient before I throw you out there, because it will cost us a whole lot of money if just a few things turn out wrong.
Yeah, understand.
So we have to protect ourselves, and you should be happy that a company is that protective and then is giving you, you know, these type of rights to come in and work, because this is going to be a lot of work and it'll be 24/7 shifts, you know, and of course if as long as the team does great, you know, we will raise the pay.
I understand. Yeah. And actually, it is good for us as well, because you know, like if we are first checking everything, you know, and training those agents with such types of, you know, the system, you know, the chances to make, you know, a wrong decision is completely, you know, 0%.
Right, right, exactly. So, and then just in case you need to onboard somebody, you'll see how they need to be tested. And so they will have to
Yeah.
go through the mock test, and then you will test them the same way that I'm going to test you. And then they have to come to me, then I have to test them. Anybody new that comes into the system, I have to test them, and then we can deploy them, you know, as a customer.
Yeah.
Or sorry, as a representative. So yeah, this is a short meeting. You know, I don't have the mock test ready yet. I will have it ready by tonight.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. So I'm expecting, you know, the team to be ready tonight.
Yeah, actually,
Wait, so tonight USA time to be able to take these tests.
tonight EST time at what time?
Just whenever you guys are ready, you know, just whatever works best for you guys. And then you know, we'll need a solid 5-6 hours. Then at the end of that 5-6 hours, you know, I'll perform the test myself. So really, the earlier the better. That way, it's not too late on my side to perform the mock test.
Okay. So yeah, I just need to talk with the team. Okay, and I'll text you about the timing. Okay. Yeah. And in the meantime, you can prepare the mock test, and then we can go through it.
Okay, sounds good. Talk to you soon, and I appreciate it.
Talk to you later.
Looking forward to great things. Okay, what do you have to say, Mr. Tyler?
No, I just said talk to them later.
Okay.